Porn in his art is just like an armless activity. Some people even mention that the moment they see any female out there, what they see is just like a sexual object. When you're watching porn, it's more equivalent to you taking drugs, literally. Men have a tendency, 4 times the tendency to watch porn. If you're still watching porn right now, whether you're a teenager or you're an adult, watching porn. Hi, you're welcome to another episode. And today we'll be discussing another sensitive topic, and it is how to stop watching porn. Hmm. Since my last video about pornography, I've received several calls and messages from people that are trying to fight the act of watching porn. And though most people might not agree with me, porn in its art is just like an armless activity, right? But the damage is alarming. One of the calls I picked, the person told me that once he's back from work, the only thing he does is just watch porn. Don't forget, this video is not to judge anybody. This video is just to find a way to help people come out of this act, especially people that feel they need the help, right? So, over the week, I had to keep on researching about what exactly prompts this act of porn. And I saw that the rate at which people watch porn is alarming. Study also showed that men have a tendency, 4 times the tendency to watch porn, unlike the women. It also showed, this part was even the one that got me sort of angry in a way and made me feel like asking the parents, where are the parents? That teenagers between the age of 9 to 13 are exposed to porn at that early stage. Additionally, study also showed that porn has the same potential to stimulate the brain, just the way taking of drug substance. It has the same ability to stimulate the brain equally in that degree. So it's just like when you're watching porn, it's more equivalent to you taking drugs, literally. Another alarming research showed that the porn watchers from USA, the stats is alarming that they are topping the list of those that watch porn most. It's mostly found in US. And I think I would have to blame this on the fact that maybe it's because of the unlimited internet access. Because in US you have tons of internet everywhere, internet, bus stop, internet, your house, everywhere, school, everywhere. And so you are able to access porn easily. But anyway, this video is not even about research and things and trying to justify anything. I'm just saying that if you're still watching porn right now, whether you're a teenager or you're an adult, watching porn is bad for you. And please stop. Please, 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 please stop. It's not good for your mental health, it's not good for relationship. In fact, it tends to lead to depression. It tends to lead to you not feeling happy about yourself. It tends to lead to loneliness. The list is endless. So if you are still watching porn right now and you're watching this video, take it from me, straight from my heart to you. Watching porn is not good for you. You might take it like, oh, I just do it at the comfort of my home, and because I just don't want to go and have sex with any female out there, I feel it's safe, like without you needing any. It's not good for you. And by the time you continue this way, it tends to lead you or exposes your mind to trying to explore other areas of watching that act. You can even start watching child pornography. You can even make you to start watching other other categories of that act. So What I'm trying to say is that please stop watching porn. As harmless as it is, it's literally not healthy for your brain. It messes up with your mind. Some people even mention that the moment they see any female out there, what they see is just like a sexual object. Even start some of them start fidgeting. At that point, your mind, you see everything like the image that is being portrayed in those videos that you watch. So one thing I will tell you is that please identify the triggers. What prompts that urge? What emotion or situation prompts that urge? That urge. Is it that most likely when you are alone or at night or you're feeling sad or you remember your past experiences? What stimulate that? Number two is that look for LD alternatives because the truth is that if your mind is positively busy, you won't be thinking about watching porn. I don't want to babysit anybody here. You won't be thinking of watching porn. Trust me. If your mind is positively busy, you won't. So please swap that activity with another positive alternative. You can learn a new skill. You can exercise. Go out. Have real relationship with people. Explore the world. Next, I would say is that limit the access. Please, my farms in US, it's not only US, it's everywhere because now everybody, it's the study even shows that people use their phone more to watch porn. It's because the phone is mobile, it's very is accessible. Limit the access. If you need to use any website block application, please do. Limit the access of you. See, change your wallpaper. Yes, change your wallpaper. Those videos, delete them from your phone. Just delete them. Change your wallpaper. Change everything. This is affecting your mind and literally affecting your life. The next I will leave you here is that seek support. Try and talk to maybe a close friend, a trusted person, close friend or colleague, or you can seek a professional help. The goal of this is just for you to, in a way, get an accountability partner that you can also relate your experiences to or let them know, oh, this is where I am at this point, this is where I am at this point. Is a form of help. Lastly, I'll leave you with this note. No matter the relapse, no matter how many times you sleep, that you feel like, oh, you tell yourself, I'm not going to watch this, and you go back to the act after 2 days. I'm not going to watch this, and you go back to the act. Don't stop. Your mind belongs to you, your body belongs to you. So you have to just tell yourself, I will not do this again. No more. No more watching of this act. No more doing this. And that's it. So take away that act that makes you feel guilty. Yes, because you have to forgive yourself and move forward. No matter how many times you sleep. Still tell yourself that no more, I won't do this again. I won't do this again. And keep on moving forward. Just learn from that experience that okay, this is what made me go back to it. And try to wake up from it. Try to get out of that urge. Try to get out of that atmosphere and take ownership of your mind. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, this video is not to judge anyone. This video is just to help a lot of people that are in this situation that most likely don't even have somebody to talk to. So you're not alone in this. I'll see you in another video. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you've not enrolled for the 3-month friend course, please do well to enroll because another course will be starting soon. Don't miss it. Thank you.